You're here for a treat because today I got 5 Chanel unboxings. Yes, you heard it right. 5 and a try-on fashion haul. Right, I treat myself to a few Chanel pieces, and I also went ahead and picked up some items from GOELIA, which I have seen so many content creators talking about GOELIA that it got me really curious, mostly because the style, it really resonates with me, that classic chic style, a little bit of that all money trend, but the pieces are not necessarily trendy. They are pieces that to me, particularly to me, all money people that they are wealthy, they do not buy and buy and buy and buy and over recycle. They are not in a trend, but rather buy quality pieces that they will last them for a long time, things that they can rely on. And when I receive my items from GOELIA, look at the quality, the detail, the craftsmanship, the way that the pieces were made, I was like, oh, now I understand why the pieces are so gorgeous, and I cannot wait to share them with you. And it makes me beyond excited to be working on this portion of the video with GOELIA, and they have kindly provided a exclusive discount code for all of you, my followers. I will be leaving all the details on the description box below, along with the links for your convenience. And as per usual, I will be copying and pasting the description box and leave it as a pinned comment. So while you're subscribing to the channel, leaving a comment, make sure you check on that pinned comment so you can find all the details. And the very first outfit that I picked up is this gorgeous 2-piece set. And let me tell you, out of all of them, I think this is my very favorite one. I just have to tell you, there's so many outfits right here. You're gonna see it, but there's some uniqueness about this 2-piece set. To begin with, the jacket is so gorgeous. I will give you a close-up of the buttons. It looks like mother of pearl with gold, even to the sleeve. The sleeve has this fold that just makes it so interesting. The material is so lightweight and comfortable, but it's not see-through. Something that sometimes I get nervous when it is a white outfit, and this one, like I said, no see-through. But look at this gorgeous skirt. Yes, this is one side, you see these pleats, so it looks kind of like a skirt, but then if you see right here is a pair of shorts, so it's just super comfortable, nothing that you're going to be worried about or that it feels too short or too uncomfortable. It does have the same buttons here on the side, and I decided to style it with my Chanel classic flap in beige, and then these super cute mules. I think the outfit looks incredible put together. The jacket has some shoulder padding too, so if you like that structure. The jacket itself is more of a boxy kind of a structure, so it's not form-fitting, or it's nothing that you're gonna feel like constrained to, so it gives you the ability to feel comfortable, lighter on the outfit. And one of the things that I like the most is the various ways that I can style it. This is another great way to style it, mostly right now that we are still, like when I'm recording this video, we're in the mid of summer, so this outfit really can take you from the heat to the summer, transitioning into fall. Just went ahead and put this black top, my Chanel classic flap in beige, these super cute mules, and this way I'm refreshed, still looking super chic. And then I'm taking the jacket on the go if in case I need it. It gets more chilly, it gets colder, I just throw on the jacket, keeping it open to maintain that contrast. The outfit is a complete casual but chic kind of outfit, and so versatile, because imagine I can do the same thing and just skip the skirt, wear just the jacket by itself with another type of skirt, pants, whatnot. So the amount of combinations that I can create with this 2-piece set is unbelievable, and the amount of details on the design is unbelievable, from the buttons to the skirt, the way that it pleats in the middle, the way that it falls on the side of the jacket. That's a little bit more of interest. The material too is 71% acetate, which makes it very cooling, yet it's not super super thin, so it does have a good weight. It lays out really well. So obsessed with this outfit. Next piece is this beautiful A-line dress with straps. It does have some padding on the chest area, but honestly, it fits me just a little bit too large. I love the pattern. I love that it has pockets. It's very convenient. I'm wearing it with this cute pair of high heel shoes. They're a little bit of like kind of like a sandal style. Fabric is very generous. It has a beautiful cut. Now I do have larger hips, and that's why I size up, because this has a zipper closure. That to me is kind of like a sign of like, okay, I should go a size up, because otherwise it's not gonna go on my hips whether I put it up or down. But in this case, like I said before, this area is just a little too large. I'm wearing a bra right now, and I'm supposed to be able to do not wear a bra, but when I wasn't wearing a bra, this was just like even larger. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need to take it to the tailor and just make sure to adjust it here and maybe on the back a little. This is stunning sweater jacket that has so many details on the shoulders, also on the sleeves. I will make a close up so you can take a look at it, but it's just so pretty. You can wear it completely closed down with another outfit or just over top, and the fabric is super soft. It's not itchy or scratchy, and it's not too heavy either. Perfect transitional piece, super cute. And here you got the jacket closed down. I feel the jacket just makes the outfit such a great design, unique, because it does have, you see these sleeves, they just look so beautiful. Even on the shoulder you have the same detail. The buttons are just stunning. The cut is not super fitted. I'm not wearing anything underneath, and it's super comfortable. This is more of not a super heavy but a heavier weight kind of sweater, something that it will take you definitely for the fall season. And yeah, just style it super simplistic, nothing that is just too elaborate, but it is all about the jacket, the sweater jacket, that is what it makes the outfit so chic, professional. This is an excellent outfit if you're thinking for something for the office, meeting with a client, if you are in a rush. I mean, this outfit was like so simple to put together. Just the pants, the jacket, and voila, that's it. This is very much a Chanel inspired kind of jacket, very festive. This I'm thinking about the holiday season because it does have some sequins interlaced. It looks kind of like a tweed style jacket, big buttons, again very Chanel-esque. That's why I decided to style it with my Chanel small classic flap, because it just goes so well together. Another no-brainer. You can definitely open up the jacket and wear it open with a blouse underneath. It will look super beautiful, or you can pair it with a skirt. In fact, I started a style with, I think it was a pair of skirts or shorts in the same material, but it was out of stock, because otherwise I would have got it right away. It looks so cute together. I will be stalking the website to see if I can get my hands on it, because the material is just so beautiful. It looks very elegant, and I do own Chanel ready to wear, and a jacket from Chanel doesn't go anything below $9,000. This was nothing near to it. Here it is, another great piece, this beautiful striped sweater. I feel like I was really missing a striped sweater in my wardrobe, hence I went with this one, and I'm happy that I did so, because there's so much detail on each of the pieces from GOELIA. If you can see, even on the trims, there's these little honeycomb kind of details. And I love that. I love that, although, say for example, you can find this kind of a striped sweater in other retailers, sometimes they just go for something so plain, something just so easy to produce. When you see there's more effort on the design, there's more details, it just looks even better. And a striped sweater is always a must. And the last piece is the silk blouse. I'm just so impressed. This silk is gorgeous, so soft. It has this beautiful pinky tone, and that's why I decided to go with my Chanel mini square bag. Just looks so fantastic, super cooling. And after trying so many outfits, oh my goodness, this feels so good to use. So at GOELIA's website, what I find out is that there are pieces of silk, cashmere too. So they work with various materials if that's something that you are more into. Super beautiful blouse. And now to the Chanel unboxing. What have I got? Well, there has been a few pieces that I was not able to get for X reason. Could have been that they were sold out at the time that they launched. And I had been trying to get my hands on it, but I couldn't. They simply were sold out everywhere in the United States. But I kept them on my wish list and finally got my hands on them. The first one, I'm pretty sure you know what they are because of the box. Yes, they are a pair of Sunnies. And these ones, honestly, I don't remember the collection, but I will make sure to leave the details on the description box below. And if I find them pre-loved, I will make sure again to link them because I know these are very hard to get. And they are these beautiful Sunnies from Chanel. It says Chanel on the side. It does have the white faded part here. They are oversized with a little bit of that butterfly kind of detail. So pretty. And these black ones, they are just so hard to find. Love them, absolutely love them. And I know you're gonna tell me, Jacqueline, but haven't you just bought a pair of Chanel Sunnies this summer with black and the white? Yes, I have. They are these babies right here, and they are different. I mean, they do have that oversized style, but they are a different cut. Do you see that? These are like all the way oversized. These are just a little bit different. There's a little bit of a square aspect right here. Now these ones also come on the kind of rectangular style, which I have seen them on Tamara Kalinick, but she has another face shape. Those kind of rectangular Sunnies, they don't look the best on me. I rather get sunglasses that they are large and in charge, and these are beautiful. Yes, they are beautiful. I love them both, but they are both a different style. Even on the glasses themselves, these have a gradient. These ones, they don't. I love them both. I'm just so happy I was able to get my hands on this one and kind of, I don't want to say complete my collection of Chanel items because there's a few other things that I have in mind, but they're just so cute. The second piece from Chanel, another pair of sunglasses. This is the last pair of sunglasses, let me tell you that. Now this is not gonna be any surprise to you because I had mentioned it before, I'm pretty sure, a couple times. And they are these babies, the same style as the black ones, but on the reverse style. So pretty. So pretty. I love them. I love them. These are summer vibes, the big Sunnies. It kind of reminds me to Jackie O. I just love them. I love them so much. So finally, I got the pair of black and white Chanel Sunnies. And it just makes me so happy. Finally, I got my hands on both of them. Right over here. And you may have already seen it while I was trying the pieces from GOELIA because they are a pair of shoes. And believe me when I'm telling you that I arrived too late. They were sold out everywhere on my size. I just simply couldn't find them, period. I'm not usually the person that likes to buy used shoes, but they were in such great condition that I said, you know, why not? And yes, I have been using them already, but I have to share them with you. They are these gorgeous pair of mules, and they do have the pearl on the back with the CC. They are in pristine condition, and I love the beige, the black, the style. They are so sexy. They are super stylish. The heel is not too high either, so they are fairly comfortable for being heels. Now I remember this same pair came in black on black and also white with black, so I'm thinking perhaps to get not the black on black, but yes, the white and black. I would love to get those too. Tell me if you like them. Tell me, perhaps you already have them because these, I remember, they were all over. Back on the time it was Pinterest, it was all over Pinterest. The number 4th item, it's also another pair of shoes. Another pair of shoes, and you have no idea. I have not been able to find these shoes in my size for forever. Mostly because I was looking for them in new, I know, that's hard to find, new or excellent condition. And I found them in pretty much new condition. And they are these gorgeous espadrilles with the pearls. I mean, what else can speak more than pearls for Chanel? I mean, I don't know what, but these are just so pretty. Look at this. Tell me, have they been worn a lot? No, not at all. Look at that. They are just like, literally, if the person must have worn them like perhaps 5 times, if anything, or 3 at the very most. They are suede, so they are super comfortable. I absolutely love them, and these are like so simple, easy to style. You're gonna style it with jeans, with a pair of shorts, white shorts, black shorts. I mean, it doesn't matter. They just go with everything. And this style in particular, I like a lot more than the traditional style, the one that is just all leather that you can find anytime at Chanel boutiques. But these ones, they were just way more special. And before I unbox the last piece, I know you may be wondering, Jacqueline, but oh my gosh, aren't you scared to buy from the pre-loved market? What about if they are not the real thing? Well, on all of these pieces, I was able to authenticate them. Some of them, they even came with a receipt. So I did make sure that they are authentic pieces, which I know is hard to do, mostly in shoes and sunnies, but there is a way, and that's why I felt very comfortable at purchasing them. Now, to the very last piece. Yes, another pair of shoes. Oh my gosh, friends. And these are perhaps not the most stylish, but they are practical. And they are the Chanel sneakers. Oh my gosh. And these are the ones that they have shirling on the back that says Chanel across. I know these are not like super stylish. They are also not sports shoes, running shoes, because those I will not really get from Chanel or Hermes or any other brand. Like, these sports shoes are like, they are not really to do a sports, but these are sneakers. So these are just more stylish, just to wear with a pair of slack pants or shorts, or, you know, just on the go. They are white, so they are super easy to style. They are in great condition too, as you can tell. They were used, but not by much, and I have used them already. I know, but I need to show them to you, and I know I'm gonna get great wear out of them, mostly because I feel like I'm overusing my Hermes Day sneakers, which are also white. They are super beautiful. I use them quite a bit, so I thought, you know what, I would love to get another pair, and I had already these ones on my wish list, and when I came across to them on my size, I was like, okay, it is the time, friends. I want to remind you, do not forget to check GOELIA's website and make sure you use my exclusive discount code. Again, all the details will be on the description box below. I would love to hear from you. What are the pieces that I showed today that you are like, oh my gosh, I want to get them now? Or which are the pieces that you're like, oh my gosh, I have them, I love them? I will just love to continue that conversation on the comment section down below. While you're at it, and if you haven't done so yet, I always tell you, this is completely free, and that is to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you ring that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. If you're on Instagram and TikTok, please come and follow me there. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with family and friends. And if you're not done watching my content, I will be leaving a couple other videos at the end of the screen that I'm sure you're gonna love. Until the next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye!